Hello, my name is Pontus and I am looking for a programming job in the field of AI.
I am studying Python development with a focus on AI here in Gothenburg.
Right now, I am doing my internship at a company called Teknikhögskolan. This is the final part of my education. Let's look at some projects. The first project I want to talk about is a startup, where I am a part of a team that build an AI-based platform to help people reach their personal goals. The platform will give smart suggestions and motivation based on the user's progress. Right now, we are in the planning stage. I have set up a test environment to try different things, test models, and explore how we can use generative AI. Now, I did like to show you my degree project, which I called TabWiz. It's a tool that lets you record a riff, solo, or anything you can play on a guitar. And then the program generates corresponding tablature. In some parts, it's very accurate, but in others, the program needs more work. This project is about the construction industry. I'm working on to get data from floor plans. I use OpenCV for image processing. Here on the screen, I try to group coordinates using k-means clustering. The project includes a lot of math and problem solving.
If you think I'm a good fit for your team, don't hesitate to reach out.